For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Ever seen a crowd form in seconds just from the smell of fresh cotton candy? I have, and it happens every time the machine starts spinning. If you're planning events or running a small stall, the electric cotton candy machine with cart can instantly become your main attraction. This 1,000-watt commercial floss maker is built for speed and consistency. It can produce up to 6 cotton candy cones per minute, which means no long lines and no frustrated guests. I've used similar machines at school events and sports gatherings, and being able to run close to 1 full hour continuously makes a huge difference during busy moments. The 1050-watt motor heats fast and stays stable, so the floss comes out smooth instead of clumpy or burnt. What I really like is the adjustable temperature control, ranging from 149 degrees Fahrenheit to 473 degrees Fahrenheit. I tested both flavored flossing sugar and hard candies, and fine-tuning the heat clearly improved texture and taste. You can use flossing sugar, fruit cubes, milk sugar, or hard candy, which makes it easy to offer multiple flavors without extra equipment. The stainless steel bowl cleans quickly, and the built-in storage drawer keeps supplies close. The cart design with large wheels and a sturdy handle makes moving it simple, even across outdoor grounds. Add ETL and CE certification, and you get a machine that feels safe, reliable, and ready for real events. If you want something that grabs attention, keeps people smiling, and actually performs under pressure, this machine delivers.